go. First order, we're going to IHOP. This is $7 and some change, going less than 2 miles.
Have you been helped already?
I'm still waiting on an order.
Okay, we're boxing it up right now for you.
Alright. Which one was it again?
Well, this order was definitely not worth it. It was like a 10-minute wait. So I'm in a bad mood, apparently. Okay, there's a small hidden tip on that order. Total ended up being $9 and some change. Still don't think that was worth it in the end, but not terrible, I guess. 20 minutes and 1 lap later, finally got an order. This is gonna be for Starbucks. $7 and some change, going just about 4 miles.
If I said that, you were like right here.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Yep.
much.
You have a good day.
You too.
Looks like we're going back to Starbucks. We've got a stack, $8, going 2.5 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For Holly, is that
Your destination is on the right.
It is in fact not on the right. It is actually at the entrance, because if I used my eyes, I could have seen it as soon as I came in. Oh, of course it's upstairs. It is always upstairs. Next order finally came in. We've got a shop and deliver for Target. $14, going 4 miles, 7 items. You know what's sad? I'm so much better at shopping for alcohol than I am shopping for anything else. All right, I'm sick of waiting around, so we're just taking this Seize the Bagel order. This is $9, going 6 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And I got the next order as I was dropping that one off. We've got a shop and deliver for alcohol, $12, going 3.5 miles, 2 items. Hello.
Hi, thank you for bringing this.
Yep, no problem. And then just a scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. I got this next order right away. This is gonna be for Walmart. $18, going just under 8 miles. It took me so long to get here. I really hope this is ready for me. Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
I can just put it in the front seat though.
In the front.
Yeah. Hello.
Hey, bud. How you doing?
Good. You got your ID with you?
Not me. This is my roommate's.
Oh, it's just cough medicine, but it's still asking for ID.
Come on in.
How's your day going so far?
Not bad.
Not bad?
Just watching football. You shut this door. Come on in.
Oh, sure.
He's handicapped.
Gotcha, gotcha. Gotta go scan it. Be right back. Did you just want it left inside or do you want to grab it? I think I just need to scan it and then I'll be good.
Oh, okay.
Good to go. Got it?
Okay, thank you.
Sure. And then you got a box there for you.
Okay.
Have a good day. Just got the next order. This is gonna be for Burgerville. $11 going 6 miles. Oh, never mind. We are unassigning that one. I didn't realize there were 12 items on it and almost half of them were like milkshakes or something. Yeah, that's not gonna be ready anytime soon. To be honest, I might just call it here. I'm getting kind of hangry. Yeah, let's do that. Current time is 11:24. Total is going to be 81, which again, I guess isn't too bad considering I had maybe close to an hour of downtime today. I sat around for a while, a few different times, but yeah, I'm over it. Let's go home. Actually, let's go get some food, then go home. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.